Yeah, that's 30, 23, 26, 56, 22, and 80, 13. Wow, everybody, if you enjoyed this train video, can you smash that thumbs up button? Go thumbs up on this train video. Can you do that for me? When you do that, it will help other train people know about my channel here. So please do that. Also, if you could do me a sweet favor, if you're new and you came along this train video, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos I got. I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video, you'll be notified about it. Also, if you can, leave comments. What did you think about this train video today. Just curious. But until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this train video's over. Have a good one. Take care. And thanks for watching.